Hey everybody. Here we go. We're going to try this online learning thing. Um, I'm going to start with just a review of the stuff that we did before spring break because it was a long time ago. And anyway, our lesson kind of follows and carries on from there. So I'm just going to kind of give you the quick version of what we did before. So here we go. All right, so persuasion. We mentioned that it is defined as the process of getting others to change their belief or behavior. This is one of those defining elements that will help you come across a good topic because you need to engage your audience with some sort of motivation to change. I have here the three main purposes or more specific purposes of persuasion. One is to reinforce an already held belief. Um, when your audience mostly agrees with you. Another is to change an audience belief. And the final is to motivate to action. Now, this motivating to action is a really good one to choose because it means that um, you are giving the audience some definable um, result that you're looking from them. So it helps you be a little bit more specific in your ask. Okay, it is important to have cats um, in social isolation and children too. Yeah, it's important to know where your audience lands when you are picking your topic. Here is that number line that we talked about. So, -3, they disagree with you. Oops, we're gonna write that in because so your -3 disagrees and your +3 agree. You are here. You want to move your audience to this number line, to this end of the number line. Um, Remember to keep your goals reasonable. If you think you've picked a topic where your audience really, really disagrees with you, it's not likely to get them all the way over here to the agree side in a 5, 6 minute speech, but it is reasonable to get them this far, and that's success. So make sure your goal is reasonable. That's where that example, that hypothetical came in that I talked about with the dogs last time. Um, and also just avoid those +3s. They already agree with you. The proposition is what we are calling your purpose statement or your thesis statement for your persuasive speech. This is your goal, what you are trying to accomplish in the speech. Make sure, just like with a thesis or um, a purpose statement, that it is simple, it is clear, effective, it's relevant to your audience, it meets a need. Now, it does not have to meet a need that is specific to this audience right now. It can be something that affects the world around them. It can be their something that is important to society in general or the environment or whatever the case may be. But it is your job to make sure that the audience fully understands and appreciates that this is a real concern and reasonable. We talked about your purpose statement and your proposition, your goals for the speech being reasonable. All right, so we talked about our Aristotle's persuasive proofs before break. We have logos, which is your logical appeal, that is targeting your audience's um, set of ethics. I can't back up on this. I don't know why, but we're gonna do this. So your logos is targeting their sense of logic, their um, their reasoning. You use evidence and proof. Again, logic. Ethos is ethics, that is targeting the heart of the matter. This is the right and wrong, good versus evil, that sort of thing. And then pathos is sense of emotion, which we like to think of as residing in the gut, where strong emotion lies. And we're going to talk more about all of these. This So this leaves us where we wrapped up right before spring break, before all of this happened. I hope you're doing all okay. Continue on to the next PowerPoint, which I will be posting here shortly, and I'll provide a link for you so that we can continue our discussion about persuasion. Bye. Bye, cats.